Hi there, welcome to my new Patreon page. This is my home for the community, and I want you to join the community so that we can engage and talk about B2B content marketing, social media, some other aspects, different platforms like Telegram, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, etc. So join the community, engage with me, engage with other people. There are different tiers, so you can see on the page there are different tiers, and you get access to more courses and live streams. There's going to be polls, there's going to be interaction and competitions, live streams, Discord. There'll be a Discord, so please join, and you can and I will send you an invite to the Discord group. I'm very excited about this community, and I look forward to seeing you on the inside. Thanks for viewing the page. See you on the inside. Bye for now.